Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Home routines with smart plugs, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Ensure your smart plugs are connected and properly set up. Tap on the routines option in the Google Home app menu. Select the plus icon to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine. Tap on Add Starter to set the trigger for the routine. Select the desired trigger, such as a specific time or a voice command. If you choose a voice command, type in the phrase you'll say to activate the routine. Next, tap on Add Action to specify what you want the routine to do. Scroll down and select Adjust Home Devices. Choose Plug from the list and select the smart plug you want to control. Decide whether you want to turn the plug on or off during the routine. If there are more actions you want to add, repeat the process. Once your actions are set, review the routine settings. Tap Save to finalize your routine. You can now activate your routine using your chosen phrase or setting. Test the routine to ensure everything works as expected. Adjust any actions or settings as necessary for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.